Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to assign a few of our cells names so that they're not referred to as C4, C5, E2. And the way we do that is we're going to select the range. We're going to be here on the top of page Excel 277. We're going to select the range B4 through C6, and then we're going to go over to the Formulas tab. In the Formulas tab here in the Defined Names section, we're going to click Create from Selection. We click that, it brings up this little window here. And you want left column checked here. That means the items in the left column of our selection are going to be used as the names for the cells in our right column. So click OK. Now go ahead and we'll do the same for cells D2 through E6. Create from selection. Let's keep that left column checked and hit OK. And now what we've done now, instead of this cell right here being called C4 now, we've given it the name price, and you can see the name right up there. Now we can use these names when we're putting in formulas. So we wouldn't say the loan amount equals C4 minus C5. We could say the loan amount equals the price minus the down payment, and that makes more logical sense to us. And that's actually the next thing we're going to be doing, is we're going to be putting in that very formula using the names we've created. So why don't you select cell C6 right now, or select the loan amount cell, and hit the equal sign. Again, that means we're putting in a formula. If you click now here on C4, or the price cell, it puts in the name price for you. If you hit the minus sign, click here, it puts in down payment. So our loan amount equals our price minus our down payment. And this is important that you use formulas here. And so here's the enter button that I couldn't find earlier. So if we hit that now, it puts in that formula for us. It's important that we use formulas whenever we can, because when things change in our Excel spreadsheet, we want to be able to have our cells that are being calculated updated based on those changes. Now we can change the price of a home, we can change the down payment that we're putting down on our home, but we can't change the loan amount. The loan amount will always be the price minus the down payment. So we need to use a formula there. Now you can see this working for us. If I were to change it to a $150,000 home, now the loan amount reflects how much we'd actually be borrowing. We have a $150,000 home with a $30,000 down payment. The total loan amount is $120,000. I'll just set this back to $265,000, and you can see it adjusts the loan amount for us. Okay, we're going to be using very few places where we can actually change the data. Most of what we'll be doing in the spreadsheet will be calculations based on a very few amount of variable data. The price, the down payment, the interest rate, and the number of years will be all that we can change for this loan amount.